So the perfect parent, it's, I think if you talk to people, people know there's no such thing as the perfect parent. Yet, if we look at our actions, it feels like we're trying to strive for that. We're trying to become the perfect parent. And from the moment, I remember when I first had kids, there's this immense sense of joy and love that you've never felt in your life. But at the same time, there's this pressure to make sure you do things right. And it's a pressure that we've never felt before because we haven't been responsible for another human being and their life. And I think when that happens, it can be very overwhelming. But what I've learned is no matter how hard we try, no matter how many parenting books and podcasts and newsletters and tips that we try and implement, our kids will probably still at some point in their life be sitting with friends or their therapists talking about how something we did created some negative behavior in them that is causing issues for them. And they are now trying to unlearn that, unpack that, so that they can, have that thing not negatively impact their life. So no matter how good we are, chances are there's probably still going to be something. I've heard from people even say, man, my parents were so nice. They didn't teach me how to set boundaries. And now that's hurting me in my life. So whether you're too strict, whether you're too nice, there will be something that our kids will take away that may not fully serve them. And it's not your fault. It's not any of our faults. We are human and we come with our own stuff. And that is the reality of it.